Hey guys, welcome back to Cocktail Cards. Today we're going to show you how to make the Hemingway Daiquiri. Now this is a delicious riff on your normal rum daiquiri. This one will have some grapefruit juice and also a maraschino liqueur, which can be a bit of an acquired taste. However, I think in this drink it works very, very beautifully. So let's go ahead and jump in and show you exactly what's in this drink. First of all, it is going to be a rum-based drink. And of course, being an Ernest Hemingway cocktail, it does come from Cuba. I don't have any Cuban rum in the house. However, Bacardi was started in Cuba, so I thought that'd be a fun substitute for this one. But really, you just need a white rum for this drink. Next, we'll need a maraschino liqueur. I'm gonna go with Luxardo. It's my favorite. It's easy to find. And next, we'll need a grapefruit for some fresh squeezed grapefruit juice. Now, if you want to get some juice at the store, that's totally fine. Just make sure you get some unsweetened, not from concentrate juice. And lastly, we'll need a lime for some fresh squeezed lime juice. And we're also gonna garnish with a lime wheel as well. So this drink is shaken. So we're gonna build this out in our pint glass or shaker. And the very first ingredient we're gonna add is 1.5 ounces of our white rum. And next we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of our maraschino liqueur. And next we're gonna add 1 ounce of our fresh grapefruit juice. Go ahead and grab your lime and we're gonna squeeze out 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. So now we're ready to add some ice, and we're gonna give this a shake for about 8 to 10 seconds. Now go ahead and grab a Martini glass, and we're gonna double strain this drink into our glass. All right, last thing we have to do is cut ourselves a lime wheel so we can throw it on top as a garnish. And there you have it, the Hemingway Daiquiri. I love that. It's tart, it's sweet. You got the rum, you got the grapefruit juice, adding that extra level of bitterness as well. And of course the sweet's coming from the maraschino. Now I love maraschino liqueur, so I think it's really good. However, this drink, it's pretty well blended. It's not in your face. It's definitely more complementary of a flavor. So if you're trying to get into something like the maraschino and just kind of get your palate there, this might be the perfect drink to jump into. Or if you just love maraschino in general, this drink is just awesome. Perfect for a hot sunny day. It's very crisp, refreshing. I can see why Hemingway would drink something like this down in Cuba where it was warm pretty often. So yeah, delicious. I love it. Hemingway Daiquiri. Hey, thanks for tuning in for the Hemingway Daiquiri. If you guys enjoyed this recipe in this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for future recipes. We're gonna be coming out with over 100 of them, so you're not gonna wanna miss that. And lastly, I have a link. It'll be the first link in our description. And we actually do a giveaway each and every month. So if you want a chance to enter to win a free set of cocktail cards, all you gotta do is click that first link in the description and you'll get all set up and signed up for that. But yeah, until next time, I'm gonna go enjoy my daiquiri and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.